Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing barbell bicep curls. There are two major things that we need to talk about here, and one is making sure that we always bring our elbows to full extension. So my elbows are straight when I begin with my barbell in front of my thighs. I'm going to curl that bar all the way up to my chest, and then I'm going to bring it all the way back down so my elbows are straight. When I only bring it down part of the way, I'm missing out on some of the exercise. The other thing is we don't want to use momentum, okay? We want this to be a bicep-only exercise. So for more great arm strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.